my babies, welcome back to another video. Okay, like sis. Now before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. So back to this look. Hello, super cute. I created this look because I was inspired by this beautiful top right here. Okay. Y'all got it. let me push this down a little bit because it's actually an off-the-shoulder top. It's so cute. I am in love. I will leave the link to this top because I know some of y'all gonna ask. But yeah, so I was inspired to create this look by this top, and I think I did a pretty good job. Yes, I sure did. Also, the hairstyle is something different. Y'all never see me do things like this, but today I did something. Now, I did get lash extensions, okay? They're super full, they're dramatic, just how I like it. And the reason why they're so dramatic, I actually got the mega volume, is because I create, you know, dramatic looks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You guys already know, grab yourself a snack, get comfortable, and let's play with some makeup. Alright, my babes, let's go ahead and get started. First thing, get yourself something to drink. And girl, I have been breaking out, and this little monkey right here wanted to show up on the worst part ever. So now it is time to conceal my brows. I did my brows off camera just to save a little bit of time, because you guys have already seen me do my brows so many times, but I went ahead and just cleaned them up with this LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, just to keep the brows, you know, the brow content still on there so you guys can see me do them, okay? But girl, let's just get on these lashes. Like, what y'all think? I like them. I like them a lot, okay? So for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this FARSÁLI serum, and you can use this as a primer as well. It's really nice because it gives me a little bit of a nice glow, like a glass skin glow underneath my makeup. So I've been just loving this lately, and it's also a serum, so it really has good skin benefits as well. So just to top it all off, I'm gonna also grab this mini FARSÁLI. I love this. I think this is like the Skintune Blur. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you guys know I never have the products on me, so I kind of, you know, wing this as I go. But this is Skintune Blur, and I'm just gonna put this all the places where I feel like it needs to blur out and make it just look really nice underneath my makeup. So for foundation, I am grabbing my Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been loving this product a lot, this foundation a lot. I've caught myself use it more than usual, but it's so nice. It's lightweight. It's full coverage, like, and it gives you a natural, you know, skin like finish after applying this foundation. I've just been loving it. Now you guys know I have the hydrating foundation. I do need to go grab another one, like a different shade, because that one is actually my favorite because it's hydrating, but I felt like, you know, it's a little bit too light, if that makes any sense. So after blending that bad boy all in, I'm gonna grab my LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to highlight, conceal all the points that I normally do. And you guys know I go heavy-handed on my concealer. I normally have to tell you guys this because some people are new to this channel. I've gotten a lot of you guys new, so you know, I still want to say it so then you're not in the comment section like, girl, that's a lot of concealer, and I'm here like, girl, you new? Are you new to class? But anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna conceal even under my cheekbones just to make that pop a little bit more. I added a little bit, okay, just a little bit. Now because of these false extension lashes, it's a little bit tricky for me to put concealer on my eyelid, so I have to grab like a different brush for that. So that's something different. And even how I apply eyeshadow, you guys, it's so weird and different. I'm just here like, how does Aaliyah Face, Tiara Walker, like, how do they, you know, do this like with extension lashes? They're so beautiful, but I feel like it's so hard to maintain. So for concealer, what to contour, I'm gonna grab this Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and this is in the shade Maple Syrup. I'm just gonna snatch and make everything slimmer. My big old forehead, my nose really does not need it, but you know, just to, you know, just make everything come together, I started contouring my nose, which that's not anything new on this channel. And also all the brushes I use will be in the description box. Yeah, and I use all the same brushes. I mean, you guys already know I use the same brushes to do the same looks all the time, like for my face contouring and highlighting. I use the same brushes because they're one of my favorites. And I'm just going to blend that all in with that Zova brush, like so. This concealer is really creamy. It blends really nicely, and it just gets the job done. But you kind of do need to blend it a little faster, because on the nose part, I was like, oh, girl, we getting stiff here. So yeah, you kind of got to move fast with it, but it's a really, really nice concealer. So for setting powder, I'm going to grab Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. I love, 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 love this setting powder lately. It's been my go-to. It's something that I've been picking up. If you haven't tried this setting powder out, definitely give it a shot. It does have a scent to it, but the scent does not bother me. A lot of Huda Beauty scents do not bother me at all. I've caught that. Like, people have a problem with it, but I honestly don't at all. I feel like it just gives it a nice little scent. I don't know. So to set where I contour, I'm going to grab this Morphe bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up everywhere, like so. I think this is bronzer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is bronzer, but I will leave everything in the description box, so definitely check that out. I felt like today I snatched that nose hardcore. Like I was coming for people with that nose contour. So for blush, I really did not feel like grabbing a blush brush because it was in my beauty room and I did not feel like getting up. Okay, so I went ahead and used the same bronzer brush, and this is Laura Mercier blush in the shade Strawberries. So, well, strawberry, not strawberries. So for the eyes, I'm grabbing this Anastasia eyeshadow palette. This is the Prism eyeshadow palette. I think they discontinued this. If I am wrong, correct me, but I went to their website and it's nowhere to be found. So I think they discontinued this, but if they didn't, let me know in the comment section. But I'm still going to try to find it. But I used that orange shade all over my crease as a transition shade. Now I'm also grabbing this Norvina. Girl, let me tell you, I don't know how to say this girl's name. Okay, a hot mess, Esther, a hot mess. But I'm grabbing that blue eyeshadow. Now this look was inspired by my beautiful top. And I was so glad I had this palette. I was like, oh yeah, girl, we doing this today, okay? So yeah, for the Prism eyeshadow palette, I really didn't use it much. So you could definitely grab just an orange eyeshadow in any palette and, you know, just swing it out. So you don't need that palette. But for this blue, I feel like this palette came in handy. Now, this palette is around $60, okay? This is expensive. This is the most expensive palette that these people... Oh, actually... Okay, wait, I was saying what? Whoa. Anyways, that palette is super, super expensive. Back to this Prism palette. I lied to you guys. I used 3 shades. Liar, Esther. I used 3 shades in this palette. The brown and the black, which you can definitely find that in any other palette as well. So for mascara, I'm going to grab this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I like this mascara because of the wand. It's little, it's slim. It's able to get under them lashes and pull it out, okay? So for highlighter, I went ahead and grabbed this Ofra face palette, and this is something like So Something, but it will be in the description box. But I went ahead and highlight. Ofra has become one of my favorite brands as well. It took me so long to fall in love with them because, you know, I had to try out more products, but they have amazing, amazing products, okay? So for the lips, I'm grabbing this Juvias Place X Fumi lip gloss, favorite nude lip gloss hands down, and this NYX lip liner in the shade brown, and I'm just going to, you know, finish this whole look like so. I love how this look turned out. It was totally not planned, only because, you know, I was, you know, inspired by this top, okay? So I'm going to set everything up with this Fixer makeup spray by Ofra. And this is it for this look, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, I love you guys so, so much. Now, Panasana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!